We have conducted one familiarization program and community awareness program at Ravindra Baina. This program is organized by Collected South Goa in collaboration with NDRF, that is National Disaster Response Force. So we have got a good response for this program because nearly 160 people have participated for this program. We had invited college students, officials from police personnel department, and then fire and emergency office, PWD, electricity department, and also we had invited local punch members of various village panchayat in Mormugao Taluka, councillors of Mormugao Municipal Council. So we have got a tremendous response for this program, and the main objective of this program is to disseminate the information of various types of disasters, natural disasters as well as man-made disasters, industrial disasters, and to inform the general public how to save lives of human beings during disasters. And especially the NDRF commander has disseminated information to the people to make life-saving equipments by utilizing household items, household goods, whatever are available in the household. And these are very important techniques because in times of floods we rely upon life jackets. But he has taught people how to make life jackets out of plastic bottles. So with the usage of plastic bottles, he has taught people to make life-saving equipment, and that is very important because see, during disasters, mostly people rely upon disaster management team like fire and emergency officers, then Mamlatdar office, deputy collector office, police personnel. But it will be of great help if there is a local task force is constituted at village level, comprising of youth volunteers, and if they pay attention during today's training program, so that will be of great help because general public can make life-saving equipment out of household goods, and that will come in handy during disasters. So for this program, we have invited actually basically invitees from all institutes, from government department as well as from panchayat level municipality. So we have disseminated information, and this type of programs is conducted every year by Collected South Goa. So and it is happening in all talukas throughout the state of Goa. And we have got good response today. So such type of programs will be conducted in future also. So we have got a good response today. So we might conduct it at a bigger venue next time.